Good afternoon, as this is an international language testing system which is powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. So my name is Kamal and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110837. My full name is Kamal Rana. What is your name?
My name is Navjot Kumari.
Navjot, do you work or study?
Nowadays I complete my graduation in 2017, but nowadays I am learning English language.
May I know why are you learning English?
English language is global language, so I learning English language.
Okay. Do you think English is global language nowadays?
Yes, definitely. English language nowadays becoming worldwide language because every country is
When did you start learning about English?
In my school time, I was learning English language because.
Where do you come from?
I am come from Khanna, which comes under Punjab state. It is a northwest part of my country.
Tell me something about your hometown, little bit more.
I belong to Khanna city. There are many facilities are available, such as medicals, transports, and education, and other facilities are available.
Okay, is your hometown well connected with other cities?
Yes, definitely. My cities are connected with other place and.
How? Explain. How is it connected with other cities? Explain.
My city is connected other.
Okay, let's talk about house and apartment. Do you live in a house and apartment?
I am sure I live in house. My house is 4 members in my house: my mother, my father, and me.
Do you like your house?
Yes, definitely I like my house because when I was born, I live in.
Which room in the house is your favorite and why?
My own room is my favorite because when I in that I feel comfortable.
Okay, which room does your family spend most time in?
My family spend time on drawing room because there are LCD. So when we are together, we watch televisions and.
Okay, how's your home decorated?
My home are decorated with flowers and my house a little garden.
Okay, let's talk about happiness. Could you please define happiness for me? What is happiness for you?
I find various types of sorts which I make happy. So.
What things make you happy?
When I talk with my friends, so I make happy because I feel when they come there with me, I feel comfortable and I feel pleasant.
Do you think people of your hometown are generally happy people?
It is depend on the people's choice. Some people are happy, but some people are financial problem. They feel sad.
How do you feel when you are unhappy? How do you feel when you are unhappy?
When I feel unhappy, when my desires are not complete, I feel unhappy.
What do you do when you are unhappy?
What do you?
What do you do when you are unhappy? What do you do?
I do various types of activities, such as I talk with my friends and my family when I.
Do you think music is a great source to reduce stress?
Yes, definitely. Music is reduced when we feel stressed because when we listen to music it's make me happy.
Okay, that's all for the first section. Now it's time to discuss cue card. And your topic is 21. Describe a trip you took by public transport, and you will have on 1 minute, and your time start now. You have 1 minute. Make some notes. Okay, start now.
In my school time, I went many trips. I was offered that trip, which I felt very happy. That trip went to Chandigarh on lake. When we went to Chandigarh with my friends, I felt very happy because me and my friends I together with my friends, and that was very pleasant moment for me because I was first time went to trip. When we was arrived on Chandigarh, we was fully enjoyed. And we saw various types of things, and after that we was shopping to 17th sector. I purchased many types of things such as t-shirts and other things. When I feel I enjoyed a lot. I was enjoyed a lot because my friend with me, and after that we was dancing in the school bus.
Okay, that's all for the first section and second section. Now it's time to discuss third part of the IELTS speaking test. I'd like to ask some questions about cue card. Do you think traffic jams would be reduced if people could travel on public transport for free?
Nowadays, every people have own vehicle, so nowadays every people have on vehicle, so they have, so it is a not reduced traffic, because if people use of transport, so it is a reduced.
Do you think traffic jams would be reduced if people could use public transport for free?
Yes, definitely. If public transport are free, it is a best way to reduce traffic.
Why do you think more and more people prefer to travel by plane?
In nowadays, majority of people give to preference traveling to plane because every people desire, they want to further study in Canada.
Okay, in what ways can we fix traffic problems?
Today's time, every people are on vehicle, so they desire they travel on vehicle.
Is it safe to travel night time in your country? Why or why not?
It is a depend on the situation. Some people, but majority of people travel in morning time because almost people are working, so they travel.
Okay, in what areas in your country people feel unsafe when they travel night time in your country?
In my country, various areas are prohibited in the night time because there are no lights facilities.
Do you like to travel normally alone or with someone?
Sometime I am working, so I travel alone. Sometime I travel with my friends and my family.
What is the one thing you like to travel by car or bus?
I am working, so I travel bus because it is a public transport. If I travel a car,
Okay, last question. Do you think traffic jams would be reduced if people could use the public transport everywhere for free?
Yes, definitely. If government public transport free, so it is a best way to reduce traffic jam.
Okay, that's all for the third section. You can leave now. Thank you.